How do I make a TikTok, Cody?
Well, wait till it's done.
I thought you had to do it in like intervals.
Hey.
Wow, hold on a second. I can't see anything. No. Really, I was just gonna put this on YouTube. It's kind of hard to.
Why do you watch all that guy's shows? The Irish guy.
What, the guy in Remodeled?
Yeah.
Tile baseboards.
You been gaming?
Just prime the drywall spots that they patched. Still have to roll behind the toilet. Re-roll all the walls one more time.
You been playing the new tile?
What? I'm talking making a YouTube video. You know, about to go viral, painting bathrooms.
I don't like minute mass.
I like it. Oh, you feel all of this?
Check out the shower.
I love the campaign though.
I played through some of the games.
Cody, I'm not gonna lie, I love the granite seat. I would have never thought to do that. So what up, man? You wanna go on YouTube?
Do you want the video to go famous?
Yeah, I mean, I'm trying to go viral, so say what's up.
What's up?
What's going on, man?
What's up? Looks nice.
Thank you. Thank you.
Looks like you guys are part of the party.
Anything wrong?
This is Stella. This is Marcus. So we're coming to kidnap you, but it looks like you're already stuck.
Show you guys the master bedroom. Drywallers have made a mess for me, so leave it up to the painter to fix it. Gotta paint these two, his and hers closets. Repaint all these walls. Changing the accent color to a tan. Yeah. Stay tuned. Next time you seeing this, it's gonna be finished. Hopefully. Should be right there. Should be about done. Next time I'm showing you guys. And you saw the entryway. It's gonna be very nice. I sprayed all the trim. Give it that nice sprayed finish. Sprayed all the doors. Closet doors. Yep. Stay tuned. Alright, it's done.
I can't do it. It's a freaking Hobbit, dude.
Painted the ceiling semi-gloss. Wall semi-gloss.
It's just not my thing. And this movie's 2.5 hours long.
This is 1/3 of it. I've watched them all in a day. And we'd rather do it. You can do this for
Alright guys, today we're painting some windows in the same house as we were in before, a remodel from a buddy of mine. Today we are enameling windows so we can get the walls 100% finished. And when you're 2 or 2.5 inch Purdy brush. Just a little bit smaller of a brush just so you can get those fine tuned details. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. If you guys are new to the channel, this is the first time you guys are seeing my videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit that notification bell. I'll get you guys a close up here in a minute on these windows that I'm painting. These are some old windows that really needed to be replaced, but we opted to go ahead and, well, my best friend actually that bought this house and was remodeling it, decided not to replace the windows. This is gonna look sharp. If you're in my video,
Fucked you off. My bad.
You're good, man. I can cut it out. Just Damon, y'all. You wanna go? He's sanding the ceilings up for me, getting them ready. Getting the final touches going, dropping the sanding block.
Yeah.
It's cause I've started recording you, that's the only reason.
Oh, I drop it every 2 or 3 minutes.
So yeah, he's running around, he's sanding all the drywall touch up on all the ceilings. Got all the wall touch ups done for the most part. Got the living room, dining room, entryway all repainted.
Crop me out.
I'm cropping you out, Chris. You're going on the U of the tube. There we go. Camera wouldn't focus. Get those accents. Oh yeah.
Jimmy, I'd like to do the video of the house all the way together.
Well, I am.
I'd like to.
I'm doing this in increments so I can show.
Yeah, I can't ever get the whole
Show
house
it with the
cleaned up and
viewers.
shit.
I'm really trying to get the YouTube channel going, so I want to
Listen.
show them we're professionals, man.
Well,
Show them how to.
This is
how to
small for
professional.
one of your jobs,
Yeah.
but it's not.
But it's a start, it's something to start, something to show everybody.
Right,
so.
it's not. It's very nice, and you can easily walk through the house and get it all on video.
Exactly. So I've shown him the windows that they needed to be replaced and everything, but he opted to just go ahead and keep them.
Yeah.
Because I guess he already has about 50 grand in the place.
Sounds about right.
Yeah, let me get a close up on this window I just painted for you. That is well, that side's not done. As you can see what it's painted.
I was just thinking
Nice and fresh. Got 2 coats rolled on the walls. Gonna get all this trim, edges of all this trim painted up.
not much.
Get the walls cut in. Get this door painted. This room should be good to go. Alright guys, I'm wrapping up my buddy's house. I'm painting for him. Very custom colors. Just touched everything up. Putting wall plate covers back on. This is how you paint a house like a pro. All the different accent colors. They blend very well. It's a nice bright white trim. The shiplap underneath the beautiful granite countertops. And the old fireplace. I think sets it all off. But check out this kitchen, you guys. Look at that granite in that sink. This turned out beautiful. Went ahead and did the kitchen in a nice bright white semi-gloss, so you can wipe the walls down if need be. And let's check out the bathroom and the bedroom. Little entryway where the colors break again. And here's the bathroom. I have the doors off this cabinet, guys. I'm gonna spray them white so they match this mirror over here. Didn't quite look right with the gray cabinet and the white mirror. Check out the shower. That is beautiful. Big granite slab, bench seat. This is beautiful. Yes, this house is, oh, it's been a job. Let me show you guys bedroom number 1. This will be the guest bedroom or spare bedroom, whatever you like to call it. A nice accent color in here. Got all the shoe mold caulked and puttied and painted up and everything looking nice and pretty. Show you guys the bedroom dose. Love this sliding door too. Same accent color.
Where you at?
His and her closets. All done. His and her closets. Done. Boom. Alright, you guys, this is the final product. Go ahead and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and stay tuned for the magnet fishing videos. They'll be coming soon. Thanks, have a good one.